welcome to this video. So we are finally back with Hey Shay days. Yay! About to make some pizza. Also, I got these new glasses. I ordered them from iBuy Direct. I just typed in my prescription from my eye doctor and they took about 2 weeks to get here, and they are so cute. They have blue light protection so that my eyes will stay protected from screens because I'm always looking at screens. Also, I got a package today from Rose Forever. It is a company who has roses that stay fresh for a year. I am so excited because these can go on my coffee table and look so pretty. I'm so excited to see them. They package it really nicely. Ooh, it has a velvet box. They're so pretty. This is so pretty. So it has this gold logo on the front, and then it has 9 beautiful roses on it. You can put it like this. This is so pretty. Let's put it on my coffee table. So now on my coffee table, I have my Kinfolk Entrepreneur. I love this book. It's so pretty if you just want to sit here and look through it. The stories in it are inspirational. The photos are beautiful. And then I have the BTS Her album. Then I have a cloud mirror. And I have a little plant on it. Now I have my beautiful roses here. It looks so pretty. It is a set of 9. I will link this down below. I'll link their website and the one I have. I also have a discount code for y'all. I will put it on the screen right here. They actually look really fresh and alive, and they will stay good for an entire year. And then next to that, I just have an Alltech Lansing portable speaker. And then there's Hazel cleaning herself under the table. Now I'm going to make my pizza. I'm gonna pop all of you on a time lapse. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,500 friends online. Then why do I find myself all alone? Good morning, everyone. Literally last night when you saw me eating the pizza, I got onto Minecraft and played Minecraft for a while. I just really want to watch some Netflix today. I'm hungry. We're going to Chick-fil-A. But since today is going to be a relaxed day, I'm not going to put any makeup on. So anytime I leave the house, I thought I would show all of you what I do with my animals. I will feed Hazel. She's already had her green breakfast, but now I will give her some kibble to eat on while I'm gone. So she will eat while I'm gone, and I will close the door. Hello! Hi! So they've already ate breakfast. So I'll put Blizz's food back in there with him so he can finish it if he wants to. He's a slow eater. But Honey is a very fast eater. She eats all of her food, and they get the same amount of food in the morning. I'll be back. I'll be back. But I put them in their kennels because they tend to be destructive when I'm not here. And so I just have to put them in their kennels while I'm away. And then they come right back out when I get home. But yeah, we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A now. I'm gonna order it on the app. So I got an ice cream, an iced coffee, a gallon of sweet tea, And then I got nuggets and french fries. I'm so excited. Good morning, everyone. The last time you saw me was a few days ago. I've done so much since that time, but today is the last day at home before I'm leaving in the morning to go back to my hometown to visit some family again. I have so much to do today. I'm gonna make a little list real quick so I have everything down that I'd like to get done. For some reason, I'm breaking out so badly right now, and I do not know why. We're just not gonna talk about my skin right now, okay? It's having some problems.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks. We don't have to sleep together for the night, then forget each other's names. Oh no, this doesn't have to be a millennial love affair. This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what scares
I'm gonna get in the shower now. You'll see me with wet hair in 3, 2, 1. My mom just bought Taco Bell, so I'm about to drive to her house and get some Taco Bell because I want some Taco Bells. I forgot to record my food.
for my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you.
I will see you tomorrow.
Oh, you love me for my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you.
So it's pretty late right now. I just want to show all of you my packing and what I'm doing right now. So this is the away carry-on luggage, and in here I keep all of my clothes on this side, and then over here I have an extra pair of tennis shoes and my sister's birthday present. Tomorrow's her birthday. Somebody doesn't want me to go, apparently. I am outside and the camera's foggy because it's so humid outside. We're about to leave for the airport. We're at the airport. We're about to go in. I never know what to say to the vlog.
Say to it.
Yeah, to them. Hey everyone, my best friends. How are all of you today? It's currently 6:30 a.m. in the morning and I'm tired.
Yes, we're very sleepy.
I'm about to have to put a mask on. But my mask is cute. Look at it. It's got rhinestones.
Mine is
Cheetah print or leopard print. Whatever one.
yeah, cheetah, leopard.
I've got all gray on. Ooh, I'm gonna get you to get a cool scene of me like standing with my suitcase.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
You already have your socks on.
Yeah, so my feet stay warm. Does it look weird? I look crazy. Apparently, we're here too early because security's not even open. But there's so many people here.
I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay at home. Wear my favorite robe tonight, I'm partying alone, yeah.
I'm past security and I'm walking to my gate. There's my mom. So with security, things haven't really changed. They're actually a lot quicker now because there's not as many people trying to go through security, so it's a lot quicker. I'm about to buy a snack.
Hear me out, well I don't really care, 'cause I'm having a house party. Not staying up till morning. Sleep, then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, I do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party. I don't feel like talking, I just wanna hang with me. Dance around the kitchen, then we'll binge on some TV, yeah. I'm so over faking my life on the internet. Wear no makeup or high heels, tonight I can forget.
My theme is gray today, if you can't tell.
I'm not looking at my phone.
right now it's my little sister's birthday and we are celebrating. So it's a bunch of family over and all the kids are swimming. So I will show you.
I'm having a house party and no one else can join me.
It looks like a real Krabby Patty.
Do what I want. I'm having a house party.
Where's my sister? No, she's not in her room. She's in the bathroom. Sissy? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I did Harper's nails. I did Harper's nails.
I can't find my phone.
We'll find it eventually.
And no one else can join me. Just gonna keep me lonely. Do what I want. I'm having a house party.
We got ice cream! Chick-fil-A ice cream! It's the last day of vlogging for this video. They'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.
I'm at my best friend's house. I'm scared if she sees me. I'm going in. She knows I'm in town this time. Ooh, ooh, I left the key. She definitely knows I'm here now, probably. Yay! Ow! I'm so excited. Come in. Yay! Saw you. The sun's so bright. Here, let me stand in front of you. Hi!
I had to take off my shoes just so I can pull out my grandma's seat.
Oh, it's still recording.
Oh! Hey!
So, it is now Sunday the 2nd. All day today, I literally edited this video.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, this one that we're in right now.
Oh.
It's Hey Shay days. We're going to eat.
Yes.
We're gonna go get ice cream and just hang out because these are my best friend. This is my best friend. Yeah, let's go get food. Yay! I'm gonna turn on a fun song.
We don't have to meet at the bar getting drinks.
What's up, vlogs? I'm Ashley. I'm Hey Shay's like sister, best friend. That's my daughter. There's Haley. I love when she comes home.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Comment below that Hey Shay is awesome.
Turn on that notification.
Yeah, turn on the
Notification. So you never miss a video.
I gotta start saying that because I never say it. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Hey Shay.
Facebook.
No, not Facebook.
I'll be in a lot of the vlogs, y'all. You said like and subscribe.
Well, they need to. We gotta get to 100,000. We are 20,000 away from 100,000.
Look, if y'all siblings or y'all's friends are not subscribed to her, get them to subscribe. Tell them that she has the best videos ever. I don't know how to turn it off.
That top button.
This one?
The one on that's flat.
This
It says,
one?
look at the top. This says on off.
Blake.
Oh yeah. Blake's on the phone. Ashley's here. Naya's here. And I got my cane.
From the kitchen and we'll binge on some TV.
Hey y'all, I'm back on Hey Shay's channel. There's Hey Shay right there. Y'all comment below if I need to start a YouTube channel. And my name's Ashley. You already know that. But help me come up with a name if I need to start a YouTube channel. Should I really, Haley, start a YouTube channel?
If you want to.
Alright, bye-bye now.
I'm laughing so hard while I'm editing this. This is so funny.
When I think I like, I better look to the cap. Will you take it? Should you take it?
Put it down.
So we have some snacks.
Ready? I'm gonna do a dance. I'm gonna do a dance.
Do a dance.
Hey, Shay!
Yeah, hey Shay! So we're gonna watch a movie. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
I've seen Hercules before.
You have? It's so good. I love Hercules. Movie night! Popcorn.
M&M's.
Oreos!
Hi everyone, it is super late. I just got home from Ashley's. I'm exhausted, so I'm going to take off my makeup and get ready for bed and go to sleep. But I'm going to end the vlog here because tomorrow's upload day and I'm gonna finish editing this video so that I can get it uploaded for all of you to see, and I'm really excited for you to see it. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. It means the world to me. I love you all. I hope you have a beautiful day, beautiful night, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Come on with me, baby.